Welcome my dear friends to this new course on Spring Boot for beginners. This course is totally dedicated for beginners who wants to learn a Spring Boot. In this course, I am gonna train you to develop web applications using Java Spring Boot. So before we move to the actual course, let us discuss what are the prerequisites of this course so that you can know whether this course is for you or not. You are not gonna feel any kind of difficulty. So as a prerequisites, if I talk, you should know basics of Java, basics of database. It can be any database, whether you know structured query languages like MySQL, Postgres or NoSQL. So along with these two prerequisites, if you have little patience and passion to learn this technology, then you are going to rock in this technology. Now let us see what are the software requirements that you should have prior to moving forward to this course. So you must be having Java installed in your system. One IDE, it can be your favorite IDE, but I prefer Eclipse or IntelliJ for this course. Since many of the people use Eclipse, so I am gonna use Eclipse for my tutorial. But if you are fine with IntelliJ, there is no issue. IntelliJ is better than Eclipse. Another software requirement is you should have Maven or Gradle in your system. Generally it comes with IDE, so once you install Eclipse in your system, it will come automatically with your IDE. Next thing is the browser that you must be having. It is common. And last one is Postman. It is a tool to test API. I have made a separate video for this. If you want to know more detail about Postman, you can go to the description and watch that video. But for now it is not required. Now let us have a look at the general course structure. This I am giving you so that you can have a little brief in your mind that what you are going to do, what you are going to learn. So you can observe in this course that I have tried my best to start everything from the scratch, and I have planned this course, I have structured this course in such a manner so that any beginners with little knowledge of Java can understand this latest technology. Also, by seeing this course structure, you can estimate your time. So basically my estimated time for this course is gonna be around 2 to 3 hours. So in 2 to 3 hours, I am gonna train you on a Spring Boot, and after getting this after doing this course, you will be able to develop REST APIs. You will be able to develop web applications, especially backend of the web applications. As an example, if we take at the end of this course, you will be able to develop backend of any e-commerce website or any company management website or any flight management website. So before I go to the next part, I would like to tell you again that this course is totally for beginners and you are not going to feel any kind of difficulties while learning this. So if you are a core Java developers, or if you are a normal Java developers who is having prior knowledge of any other framework like Struts, you will find it very easy to learn. And if you don't have prior knowledge of any framework at all, then also you are not going to face any kind of difficulties while learning this course. That I can assure you. And if you get stuck somewhere or if you find any kind of difficulty, you can let me know immediately. I would try to help you as soon as possible from my side. Talking about the audience of this course, generally this course will be best suitable for professionals who are Java developers and want to learn a Spring Boot, students who want to take an online course on a Spring Boot. So this course will act as a base for them. Also for UI developers, this course is gonna be very beneficial. They will have basic understanding of how a backend work. Suppose you are working in any company on core Java, or if you have knowledge in core Java and you want to switch your job on latest technology, then you can go through this course, and this course would help you a lot in getting the basics of a Spring Boot so that you can get an opportunity to work on better technology. So that's all for this video, friends. In next video, we will be discussing about basic terminologies that I will be using throughout this course. So see you in next video. Till then, take care, stay happy and keep learning. Also, I would like to request you that if you got benefit from this video, please do not forget to share this video with the all beginners who wants to learn a Spring Boot.